Hello Transformation, welcome back to my channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. In today's video, we're going to do a Thanksgiving makeup tutorial and lip combo. And this is the picture here down below. So you guys can see how I transform into this beautiful Thanksgiving makeup look and lip combo. So let's get into it. First, we're going to fill in the sculpting. We're going to use the sculpting brow pencil. This is by Kiss Professional. I'm just going to use this brunette color. I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to do that on both sides. Now, the trick with this is I'm going to use a soft concealer. I'm going to use the color Warm Coconut 345. I'm going to apply this under my brows. This one's just going to have this natural look. And I'm going to use one of my sponges. I'm going to use a small sponge. And I'm going to blend that in. And I'm just going to go in with an angle brush. And I'm going to do the same exact thing on the opposite side over here. I'm going to blend. I'm going to use my angle brush to blend that out. And that's it. I didn't do much. I just filled in my brows. And that's it. I'm going to be doing the Rose Buy Me Rose eyeshadow palette, which is inspired for a Thanksgiving makeup look. It's like a nude but flawless glamour look. So, as the picture I have shown, I'm going to do this same set color, and I'm going to show you guys step by step. So, all you're going to do is take like this reddish brown color, the Dozen Roses color, and I'm going to apply it here. And I'm just going back and forth. It's like a U shape almost. Not a U, but an N. And I'm going to take Flower Power, and I'm going to blend it right on top. Thank you. And I'm going to take my favorite color. I'm going to have my favorite color gold. So I'm going to use Falling in Love. And I'm going to apply it here. Okay, so I took that color and I just pat. And then I'm going to take Sparkle. And I'm going to apply it on top of that color. So I'm going to have like a little shimmer. See? And that's it. And that's how the color looks. Now you don't need, I'm going to be using MINK Impact Light. This is Envy's new lash line, number 10. And this is more of the natural look lashes. This is it right here. It's very natural. So I'm going to start applying. I'm going to do one side for you guys so you guys can see. So it's always good to have your lashes. I'm going to be using my super strong 3D lash glue. It's in the color clear and it only costs $3.99. And this is from Envy. I'm going to apply this around the rim just a little bit. So we're going to take them back off anyway. And I'm just going to fan it. And I'm going to apply with using my fingers. So it's already bent a little bit. And I'm just going to apply right on top. So I'm just going to press down, and that's it. This is the look, one of the inspired makeup look. Hello. So now we're going to be using some hydration cream. And I'm going to apply on my skin. So this helps with the pores and also helps to keep the makeup to look flawless. So I'm going to use only one concealer. I'm going to use the Warm Coconut 345 by Envy. And this is a friendly budget. It only costs, what, like $5.99, $4.99? I'm going to apply like 3, 4, 5, 6 little drops. And I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses matte. This helps control the oil and you won't have like you sweating. So I'm going to spray just a little bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a sponge. And I'm going to blend it out for you guys. So I'm just going to tap, 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 tap. Blending. And look how flawless the coverage. So this is one side. So as you guys can see how natural and how the concealer blends very smoothly. And then the lashes are A1. And the makeup. Hello Transformation, welcome back. This is a close-up of my eye makeup. I hope you guys did enjoy my makeup tutorial for Thanksgiving. I hope you guys do enjoy. This is a step-by-step. This is one of the first videos out the month of November. I'm going to post the makeup palettes that I did use in today's video and moisturizer and lip combos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. If you want to see more videos like this, get this video up to 100 views. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.